Todoist remains one of the world's most popular task managers today, and for good reason. It offers natural language input that makes creating tasks effortless, advanced AI features like Rumble that turn voice commands into actions, and the next gen sync system that keeps everything updated instantly across devices. The app integrates with Google Calendar, Slack, Salesforce, and more, making it a powerful hub for productivity. The free tier, let's check it here. You can start for free, of course. The free tier covers basic needs, but the pro and business plans is starting at $5 per month or $8 per month for the business. Unlocks labels, filters, team collaboration, and reporting. The downsides are cost, of course, and the fact that casual users may find the free version sufficient. Overall, Todoist is worth the price if you want automation, integrations, and reliability, but lighter users may prefer free alternatives.